Hello everyone, today is a day of working. As you can see, everybody is busy everywhere, busy in the road, busy in the market, busy at home. Everyone is busy, as you can see. Bus are so busy. Life in Hong Kong is not so easy. Everyone is doing everything because everything here is not free. We need to pay everything just to have the things we want and the things we need. So as I have shared, dear friends, here we are going to market and buy foods. So as I walk through, you can see people don't have time to relax. Wow, you see, dear friends, there are a lot of birds in this area. As you can see, these birds are so free. If these birds are living without doing anything, just to eat and fly and relax, so people also do like that. As we are struggling our daily lives, don't let the effect of struggle, but let the effect of freedom, let the effect of blessings from God, like the birds as we are looking now. See, these birds are so free. They are a lot in this area. I think this area is already their place, wherein every bird that come here is enjoying the company of every group. As you can see, dear friends, they are so busy eating. While they can see something to eat, they eat. While they are busy to look their own food, they eat. This life is a freedom. See? Wow, this is amazing. These birds are, we call them dove. They are not the wild one. They are the wild one, but they are just free to stay here. They come to eat here when they see some foods, because this park has already a place wherein so many are sitting here during the rest time, and these birds knows that so many people have good heart to provide them the food. You see, as the birds have their own food, because we know that God provides. So even us, a human, God also provides our needs. Don't forget that God created us, and He will also provide our needs. You see, these birds are so happy because they have a lot of food to eat. See, dear friends, they are so happy. They never scared even so many humans around them. Look, they are really amazing creature of God. See, I hope, dear friends, that you are enjoying everyone. Everyone are so happy also. See, this is an amazing birds. They are very free, and they have the freedom to eat, they have the freedom to fly, and they have the freedom to do everything they want. We should be like them. They don't have any worries, and they never have any fear. See, And now, dear friends, you see again there are so many also in this area. As you can see, they never scared. They are this this two is fighting. This two is fighting because the other one bites the foot there. You see, as you can see, amazing. Hello, you are an amazing birds. This, wow, this one is scared. That's all for now, dear friends. Bye. Hope you enjoy watching this free bird. Let your life free as them. Bye.